The muscular system is a complex network of tissues that enables movement, maintains posture, and generates heat within the body. It consists of three main types of muscles: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. 1. Skeletal muscles. These are attached to bones by tendons and are responsible for voluntary movements such as walking, running, and lifting. They also help maintain posture and produce heat through muscle contractions. 2. Smooth muscles. Found in the walls of internal organs such as the stomach, intestines, and blood vessels, smooth muscles are involuntary and control functions such as digestion, blood flow, and breathing. 3. Cardiac muscle. Found only in the heart, cardiac muscle is also involuntary and responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. It has unique properties that allow it to contract rhythmically and efficiently. Together, these muscles work in coordination with the nervous system to enable movement, support bodily functions, and maintain homeostasis. The muscular system also plays a crucial role in metabolism, energy production, and thermoregulation. One. Which type of muscle is responsible for voluntary movements? A. Smooth muscle. B. Cardiac muscle. C. Skeletal muscle. D. Striated muscle. Answer: C. Skeletal muscle. Rationale: skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles responsible for movement, while smooth and cardiac muscles are involuntary. 2. What is the structural unit of a myofibril? A. Sarcomere. B. Myofilament. C. Myofibril. D. Myocyte. Myofibrils are long, cylindrical structures found within muscle cells, also called muscle fibers. They are responsible for muscle contraction, which is essential for movement, posture, and numerous other bodily functions. Answer: A. Sarcomere. A sarcomere is the basic structural and functional unit of striated muscle tissue. It is the smallest contractile unit within a muscle fiber, muscle cell, and is responsible for muscle contraction. Sarcomeres are highly organized structures composed of overlapping thick and thin protein filaments. 4. What is the neurotransmitter released at the neuromuscular junction? A. Serotonin. B. Dopamine. C. Acetylcholine. D. Norepinephrine. Answer: C. Acetylcholine. Rationale: acetylcholine is released from the motor neuron at the neuromuscular junction, initiating muscle contraction. 5. What structure stores and releases calcium ions during muscle contraction? A. T-tubules. B. Sarcolemma. C. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. D. Myofibril. Answer: C. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. Rationale: the sarcoplasmic reticulum stores and releases calcium ions, which are necessary for muscle contraction. 6. What is the name of the connection between a motor neuron and a muscle fiber? A. Synapse. B. Neurotransmitter. C. Motor end plate. D. Neuromuscular junction. Answer: D. Neuromuscular junction. Rationale: the neuromuscular junction is the connection between a motor neuron and a muscle fiber, where neurotransmitters are released. 7. What is the role of calcium ions in muscle contraction? A. Triggering the release of acetylcholine. B. Binding to troponin, exposing active sites on actin. C. Initiating the action potential in the muscle fiber. D. Releasing neurotransmitters at the neuromuscular junction. Answer: B. Binding to troponin, exposing active sites on actin. Rationale: calcium ions bind to troponin, leading to a conformational change that exposes active sites on actin, allowing myosin to bind and initiate muscle contraction. 8. What is the name of the motor protein responsible for muscle contraction? A. Actin. B. Myosin. C. Troponin. D. Tropomyosin. Answer: B. Myosin. Rationale: myosin is a motor protein that binds to actin and undergoes a conformational change to generate muscle force. 9. Which of the following is responsible for relaxing muscles after contraction? A. Calcium ions. B. ATP. C. Acetylcholine. D. Creatine phosphate. Answer: B. ATP. Rationale: ATP is required to detach myosin from actin, allowing muscles to relax after contraction. 10. What is the primary function of smooth muscles? A. Voluntary movement. B. Involuntary movement of internal organs. C. Pumping blood through the heart. D. Generating heat to maintain body temperature. Answer: B. Involuntary movement of internal organs. Rationale: smooth muscles control involuntary movements of internal organs, such as peristalsis in the digestive tract. 11. Where are smooth muscles found in the body? A. Attached to bones. B. In the walls of blood vessels. C. In the heart. D. In tendon. Answer: B. In the walls of blood vessels. Rationale: smooth muscles are found in the walls of hollow organs, blood vessels, and other structures. 12. What is the structure that connects muscle to bone? A. Tendon. B. Ligament. C. Cartilage. D. Bursa. Answer: A. Tendon. Rationale: tendons connect muscles to bones and transmit muscle force to produce movement. 13. What is the role of tendons in muscle function? A. Transmitting muscle force to bones. B. Storing calcium ions. C. Initiating muscle contractions. D. Regulating muscle temperature. Answer: A. Transmitting muscle force to bones. Rationale: tendons transmit the force generated by muscle contractions to bones, allowing for movement of body parts. 14. What is the primary function of cardiac muscles? A. Voluntary movement. B. Involuntary movement of internal organs. C. Pumping blood through the heart. D. Maintaining posture and stability. Answer: C. Pumping blood through the heart. Rationale: cardiac muscles are striated, involuntary muscles found only in the heart, responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. 15. Which structure allows for rapid transmission of electrical impulses between cardiac muscle cells? A. Intercalated discs. B. T-tubules. C. Pumping blood through the heart. D. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. Answer: A. Intercalated discs. Rationale: intercalated discs facilitate rapid communication between cardiac muscle cells, ensuring coordinated contraction of the heart.